Hi, hello my dear children. I hope all of you are staying safe. In this session we are going to continue chapter 4 simple equations and exercise 4.4 sum number 1, and we are going to do the C section, that is the subdivision 3 C. And the question is, what should you do? You have to form the equation. Okay, set up the equation for the given English statement, and then you have to solve the equation and you have to find the unknown given in the question. So what is the unknown given in the question? A number. You have to find the number. Okay, so you are thinking a number, and what are you doing with that number? You are playing with that number. So what game you are playing with that number? Let us see. If I take 3/4 of a number, so what game you are playing? You first think of a number, and then what are you doing? You are taking 3/4 of the number. That means what? You are multiplying by 3 by 4. 3/4 means what, children? 3 by 4. 3 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. Okay, and then what are you doing? And add 3 to it. Okay, after taking 3/4 of the number, you are adding 3 to it. So what answer you are getting? I get 21. So the game is over. Have you understood, children? So it is just like playing game. That's why in the previous session I told you, I gave some statements and I told you to play a game with those steps. Okay. So if you play game with those like that, it will be very easy for you to frame the set of the equations. Okay, children. So first, what are you doing? You are thinking a number. You don't know, so that is the unknown here. It is considered to be the unknown here in this statement. Okay, English statement. So we are going to translate this English statement as mathematical statement. So what are you going to do? Let first step. Let the number be x. Okay, unknown number. It is x. Then what are you doing? You are taking 3/4 of the number. So 3/4 of the number is what, children? Taking 3/4. All of you know what is 3/4 of the number. So you can straight away right now. It is what? 3 by 4. Of means into the number is x. That is equal to what are you getting? 3x by 4. And then what are you doing? You are adding what? 3. So what do you get? Get means what symbol? Equal. You are getting 21. Isn't it, children? Now you join this. 3x plus 4 and this equal 21. You are getting the equation. Is it easy for you to set up the equation? So, you should know what is 3/4, 1/3, 2/3. Okay, these are all fractions. You should know. Okay, this is the way of reading the fraction. Okay, a 7/10 like that. Now, so 3 by 4. What is 3x by 4? You are getting. So 3x by 4. Then what? You are adding. So plus 3. Then equals. Get means equal. Gives means equal. 21. So the equation is set up. Okay, we have formed the equation. You got the equation. Now you know how to solve it. Okay, so how to solve? First you have to transpose this 3 from LHS to RHS. So what do you get? 3x by 4 is equal to 21 minus 3. Okay, 21 minus 3. That what do you get? 18. Isn't it? Now, which one you have to eliminate? 3 or 4? You have to transpose this 4. And this 4 is dividing 3x. So, when you are transposing this 4 from LHS to RHS, it will be of multiplication. So, what do you get? 3x is equal to, what is in the right hand side? 18. 18 into 4. Now, what should you do? It is 3x. You have to eliminate this 3. That is, you have to transpose this 3 from LHS to RHS. So, when you are transposing 3 from LHS to RHS, this will be what? This operation, multiplication, will be changed as division. So, x is equal to 18 into 4 by 3. No need to multiply, children. If you multiply, sometimes you may make mistake in that. Okay, you can simplify this. How? You can cancel this 3 and 18. 3 goes how many times? 3, 6 are 18. So the number is what? 26 into 4. Now you have to multiply this 6 and 4. So 6 into 4, 24. Have you understood this simple calculation? So if you, instead of that, if you multiply, then again you have to divide. It will take time. But this will be very simple. Okay, you should learn this calculation. Okay, children? So now let us check whether our answer is correct or not. Okay, you are getting the number as 24. So, 3/4 of the number. So, what is 3/4 of the number? 3 by 4 into 24. So, what do you get? This again, simplify. 4 goes 6 times. So, again you have to multiply which two numbers? 3 and 6. So, 3 6 are, what do you get? 18. So this is what? This is checking. You are checking whether our answer is correct or not. Then what are you doing? You have to add 18 plus what are you adding? 3 is equal to 21. So are you getting? I get 21. So our answer is correct. Children, you should check with the question. Sometimes you might have made a mistake in the equation. Okay, if you check with the question, so you can verify whether our answer is correct or not, whether our equation is correct or not. Okay, children, this is a simple way of setting the equation and solving the equation. I think all of you might have understood this. Okay, children, then answer is what? The number is 21. Sorry, not 21. The number is 24. This is the answer. 24. Is it clear, children? Thank you, children. God bless you all. If you have any doubt, you write in the comment box. I'll clarify your doubts. We'll continue the questions in the next session.